In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the mobile internet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on the initial setup for your T-Mobile Internet Gateway. You will be able to set it up, establish a connection, and connect into this network on any smart device that you have. So, when you initially acquire this device, you will have to download the T-Life app. This used to be called the T-Mobile Home Internet app, but nowadays it has rebranded into T-Life. So if needed, open the App Store if you are on iOS or the Google Play Store if you are on Android, and you will be able to download this application. Once you have this app, you will be able to set up your internet gateway device. So inside of this app, you will be able to browse through various options, and one of them is going to be Manage My Home Internet. Usually, if this is your first time opening the application as well, you will also be prompted to set up a device. So just either find the option to manage your internet or go over to set up new device during the initial setup process. And then you will be able to choose between all of the options. So 5G gateway, Nokia 5G gateway, and then LTE Wi-Fi gateway. Just choose the appropriate one. Now, whenever you select any of these devices here, usually they are going to ask you to scan a QR code. This can be found at the back of your unit. So all that you have to do is use the camera on any device, so the smart device that you are using, to scan this QR code. As soon as it is scanned during the setup process, it is going to be good to go. You will be able to change the Wi-Fi password, the Wi-Fi name, configure the network, and once everything is set up, you can manage it through the app. Just use the exact same menu that you chose to set it up initially. You can also tap on this interface here, so you can use these buttons, tap OK, and once you tap on the screen until everything is set up, the internet status will be displayed, and you will be able to connect into this newly established Wi-Fi network. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up T-Mobile Internet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.